Hello everyone, this is Thunderbolt, and do you want to know which bots will help you advance the member experience for your server? Well, I'm guessing that's why you're here. So without further ado, let's get into this. So the first bot I'm going to be recommending is Dino. Dino is a server management bot, so he can do things like warns, bans, mutes, or even purge chat if you want. If you want to see his commands, just type in help, and you can see that I've been DM'd his commands list, and it looks something like this. He does a lot of commands, and I'm sure you will not miss Dino. Following along the line of server management bots, the next bot I'm going to be recommending is Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt, as you've probably seen in my other Discord tutorials, is a great bot who can do things like roles and welcome messages. Like all of the other bots here, Thunderbolt can either be added from the top.gg website, which has a list of most of the Discord's bots, or his own website, carl.gg. And here you can see just some of Thunderbolt's commands. It really is a lot. And like Dino, also does moderation, auto moderation, which is very helpful, and also reaction roles, levels, though that's locked behind premium, and lots of other great things. Now I'm sure everyone was expecting this bot, and that is going to be Dank Mima. Dank Mima is a great and very fun bot. Dank Mima probably has the biggest economy system in all of Discord, and that means you can have your own job, trade things, and that's of course all in this in-game Discord bot. So for example, if I go to please help, you can see his currency, his memes of course, games, fun, images, and all sorts of things. So I work as a ghost hunter, but I've already done please work, and that's how you'd usually get your job. But you'd also do please beg, and you can also do please blackjack, any certain amount, like I don't know, 8,000. Yep. Boom! Hey. And then you can just earn money and have fun, see the leaderboards, and it's just a great bot. And I'm sure you'll have a great time with this one. And this is just a brief summary of what he does on his website. And you can invite him here. Now this bot is slightly more niche than the other ones, but I'm sure if you like Pokemon, you'll certainly like this. And that is Poke2. Poke2 allows you to do many fun things like have your starter Pokemon, battle other members' Pokemon, catch new Pokemon, and how it works is of course you link it up with a chat like I have it in the bot chat, and then you find your starter Pokemon, mine's Charmander, which has now evolved to a Charizard. And then, as your server is filled with messages and activity, the Poke2 bot will send a notification in the bot chat that a wild Pokemon has appeared. Like here for example. So if I do P catch, it's an Arcan. And if you want hints for what the Pokemon is, you can do hint, P catch, Arcan, I don't know. And that is how it works. And then you can also do Pokedex. And all of these bots have help commands, and they are all helpful in that sense. And you can do p help, which helps you get around, and you can see all of the things he does. Also, why do I keep on calling bots a he? Like, it's a bot, it should really be it, but never mind. Poke2, as do all of these bots, has its own website, and you can see its features and its breakdown, and it is used in 1 million servers. That is a lot. Poke2 is overall a great bot, and I'm sure you'll have a blast with it. The next bot I'm going to recommend is probably even more niche than that, but I'm sure if you're into that kind of stuff you'll enjoy it, and that is Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt kind of allows you to do roleplay things. So, and now as you can see here, following this process I have registered my own character and also used this avatar, and then I'm allowed to chat using this kind of false profile. And to show you in live action, that is how it works. And you can do it for any text, prefix or suffix. And yeah, it is a good bot if you're into that kind of things, and I have had some fun times with it, that is for sure. Now the next bot I'm going to recommend is only for certain circumstances, but I'm sure you will appreciate it, and that is giveaways. And the bot I'm going to recommend for giveaways is Santa Luna. He used to be known as Santa Wumpus, I believe, and you've probably seen it around. And it works like so. You start a giveaway. Then list a channel, so bot chat, and time, I don't know, 30 seconds. The winners, 1 prize, £0. Great prize. And then, as easy as that, you've got your giveaway created. And while it doesn't give the actual prize automatically, it picks randomly the people who have applied, and also displays the information quite well. And you can do certain circumstance giveaways, like have it in specific chats, specific requirements, and it's a great bot. And as you can see here, I have won a grand total of £0, so great. Now this is a bot I'm sure you all are waiting for, and that is a music bot. And that title goes no other than to soul music. As you may or may not know, recently 2 of the most prolific music bots, Rhythm and Groovy, have been taken down by YouTube because they use some sort of YouTube source code which they do not allow anymore. But now there are new kids on the block, and one of them, and in my opinion my favourite, is soul music. Soul music does everything the old bots used to do. So say for example if I wanted to play an old video of mine, and here it is playing the music I've listed, and it does everything, if not more, than the old bots used to do. If I want to search up what other commands, I can just do help. You can just see the music, the filters, and it's a great bot, and I do recommend it as your replacement bot for the old 2. And you can add this music bot by going to top.gg and searching up soul music, and you can see all of its things. It has Spotify settings, music. Doesn't necessarily advertise that it has YouTube, and I'm sure that's probably because YouTube have their eye out for them. But nonetheless, that is soul music for you. Now the final bot I'm going to be recommending today is Discord. Discord is a great bot and helps you widen the audience to your server. While I personally haven't seen much success with it when I've used it, I have seen plenty of other people who have had massive amounts of people join to their server because they've seen their ad on the Discord website. And how Discord works is that first of all you do / and then you bump, and then it will push your server to the top of the list of servers on its dashboard. It is genius, and I should definitely use it more often. And of course it will be on the front of the dashboard, and Discord servers bumped recently. And that sums it up for the Discord bots I recommend in your server. If you have any other bots that you recommend, please list them down below. And now a quick shout out to the person who won my photo competition. Their pictures will be shown right over here. Great, isn't it? And if you want to take part in future competitions, make sure to join my server because we'll be doing plenty of them. And that sums it up for today's YouTube video. I'll be trying to do plenty more over the next few weeks, and hopefully longer. And I'll see you all later. Bye!